Hi guys, welcome back again, my dear student 8th grade. Today we are going to start with the chapter 20, data analysis, page 334, using the Excel software IGCSE, paper 3. So the data analysis is using the Excel. So let's just start and opening the Excel sheet. What we are going to learn in this chapter, you will learn how to create the layout for the spreadsheet model, enter text and numeric data into spreadsheet, use editing functions such as cut, copy and paste, enter formula and simple functions into spreadsheet, replicate formula and functions in the spreadsheet, test the data model, select subsets of data within the spreadsheet, sort data within the spreadsheet, change the display and format of cells within the spreadsheet, change the size of rows and columns within the spreadsheet, adjust the page orientation, save the spreadsheet, print the spreadsheet displaying formula or values. And I hope in this chapter we will finish our terms too. So let's start. It's a very important, this chapter, because it always comes in the question in paper 3 IGCSE exams, external exams. So let's start, guys. Okay, let's start. What is the data model? This is the data model. This is the data model as you see here. For data analysis, you will see the spreadsheet model to explore different possible answers. These models are often financial, mathematical, or scientific. It is sometimes called using what-if scenarios or what-if modeling. It lets you change the data in the spreadsheet to see what will happen in the results. In a particular examination, you will may be asked to build simple spreadsheet model and edit or change the data within the model, or even change the model itself to produce different results. Okay, this is the spreadsheet as you see. Let's make a zoom, make it clear for 200. As you see here, this is called cells. This is called cells. For example, this cells is called A1. This is the number related to the cells names. This is A1. This is B1. This is C1. This is the letter C and the number 1 from here. This is D. This cell is D1. This is E1. Okay. This one B, taking the letter from here, P2, P2. This is P3, B4. Okay, if we are going to highlight a region, just select this region. What is the name of this region? It will start from here, from the left. This is C3, C3, and ends here in E9. So this region is called C3 to E9. This one. This is starting from here, E3, and end in G10. G10. So you will use the Microsoft Excel to create your data model, selecting the Excel icon from the desktop. From the next screen, select the blank workbook. Okay, we all do that. The spreadsheet is two-dimensional as you see. Table split into 2 rows and columns. It looks like that. It makes up a number of individual links at these to help to use the individual cells in the spreadsheet. Each cell has an address as we see here. Each cell has an address. Okay, in this example, the cells with the cursor It's called by E9. Where is the E9? This is E, this is 9. This is E9. E9, for example. And the cells that has been colored is, let's color this. Just right click, okay. No, right click here, format cells, okay, and just this is format. This is the font. Choose the one with the color red. Just type here. Okay. It will appear right with a red color font. Okay. So this is E9. E9. This is E9. Okay. So how, let's go to the next stage. How to insert cells, rows and columns. So if I need to insert rows here, what to do? Just click here and it will highlight all the rows. Right click, insert. Or I can do that using the menus. Again, I want to insert a row between lines 2 and line 3. I just put the cursor here to highlight the whole lines and right click, insert line. It's inserting a new line. Again, right click, insert line. It will take the number automatically here. It will take serially number automatically. Okay, I want to insert a column. I just click here to highlight the whole column and just right click, insert line. I can do that using the menu from here. Insert column, insert column, insert column, or insert table. So I can insert a number of columns and rows using menus, or even just highlight the region I want and just click, right click and choose the option that I want. Okay, we use that also to delete. Let's type anything here and here. Okay, I want to insert a row between line 3 and line 4 and just put here insert. As you see, it's insert a new row. I want to insert a new column here. Just highlight the whole column, right click here, insert column. As you see, it's inserting a new column here. How to delete cells or rows and columns. To delete cells, I just go directly to the wanted cells and just delete cells up, or delete cells left, or entire row or entire cells. No, I want to delete shift cells up, like that. Again, I want to delete row, so I highlight the row, the whole row, and just right click, delete. Okay, I want to delete a whole column, this column. I just highlight the whole column and right click, delete the whole column. So to delete a cells from spreadsheet, right mouse, click on the cells you wish to delete from the drop down menus, select the delete, which opens the delete windows. This will allow you to delete cells by selecting one of the top two options, which removes the cells by moving all the other cells to the left or up, or allow you to delete a row or a column. Okay, let's start now opening a new sheet and try to do this activity. Okay, let's zooming the screen. Okay, for example, we have two numbers, number A, number A and we have here 3, 5, for example, 2 and 1, 4 and for example 7. We have here to multiply the number A by the number B. So this is number A multiplied by number B. Okay, okay, how to do that? This number A is B, this is B5, and this one is C5. So the answer here will be B5 multiplied by C5. To use the formula, we just click here, put the cursor here, and put equal. Equal is the beginning of a formula. It's telling the Excel operation that it is the beginning of the formula. So don't forget to put equal. Equal is the beginning of any formulas. So this is equal B5 multiplied by C5. Enter. This is the answer. So here is the equation or the formula, B5 multiplied by C5. The answer will be 15. I'm going to do the same operation for this. No, there's a very simple way to do the all or the rest of the operation without doing the same or writing the same formula. Just click here and take this one, this point, this angle, and just lift it down. It will copy the answers. It will do automatically the formula for the others equations here, as you see. So we will just move into the cell here and click the left formula, and we will have the answer. It's very easy. Advice: you must show the content of a cell fully in your spreadsheet printout so that your method and results can be seen. How to do that? Just click here. If I just write it here, my name, for example, my name is Yusuf. As you see, it's going out of the cells here. So I just go here and double click here. It will take in one cells. It will take this in one cells. Okay? Let's take another activity. Let's open a new spreadsheet and do another activity here. For the task, create a spreadsheet to display the times table for any numbers you choose to enter. Print your spreadsheet showing values and formula. How to do that? Well, I need to just view a larger screen here. Okay. In A1, I will put the number 2. And here, times table. Times, okay, table. And I just put here the numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally 10. And what I have to do now, okay, let's read the activity. It is in page 336. For this task, you need to design and create the data model to calculate and display the times table for any number you choose. You must therefore have a single cell that contains the number to use for all the calculations. In this model, you can place a simple number such as 2 in a cells A1, as you see here. This is the number 2. Okay, in cells A1, so that you can easily tell if you have made a mistake with your formula later on. Type the table times tables, as we just write here, times table in cells A2. You are going to create the times table in cells A3, as we do here, A3 from 1 to 10 to B12 to B12. The cells in column A hold the numbers to multiply by the cells in the column B hold formula. So we need here to put the answer. It will multiply the number in the A3 with the number in the A1 for all these numbers. So again, the cells in the column A hold the number to multiply by, and the cells in the column B hold the formula to calculate the answers. Move the cursor into the cell A3 and enter the number 1. Then move into the cell A4 and enter the number 2. Rather than repeating the process another 8 times for the numbers 3 to 10, highlight the cells from A3 and A4, and we do that and show. Move the cursor to the drag handle and the bottom right corner of these cells. How to do that? Okay, I just go here directly and click for the equal beginning of the formula and just put here A3 multiply by A3 multiply by dollar sign A dollar sign 1. This is mean that I'm going to multiply the number 1 in the cells A3 with the number 2 in the cells A1, and the answer will be 2. And just hold the cells here and drag and drop down, and I have all the answers. So here 2 multiplied by 2, it's 4. 3 multiplied by 2, it's 6. 4 multiplied by 2, it's 8, and so on. This is the answers. Okay? The symbol dollar sign in the reference of the cells A1 will be used by Excel to keep that the cells reference the same when this cells is replicated into the cells B4 to B12. And we also use the drag and drop and handle the B3 replicate the formula into the cells down to B12. The results should be look like that. Okay? Without checking the formula, you can see that this has produced the correct result for the 2 times tables. Change the cells A1 another number to check if the formula. So if I go here and change the number to 5, as you see the results will change. 1, the results will change to 2. So it will keep the formula. How to display the formula? I want to display the formula here. To display the formula and then print the formula used in the spreadsheet. So we are going to select formula from the tab here, formula, okay, and find formula auditing section. This is the formula auditing section, and click the show formula. It's here, show formula. As you see, it's showing us the formula for all the lines. The spreadsheet now looks like this. Each of these formula contains both absolute and relatives referencing. In cells B3, the reference to the cells A1 with the $ symbols and is an absolute reference, and the reference to the cell A3 is a relative reference. You can see from this view the reference in the cells B3 to cells A3 has been changed as the cells has been replicated. As it is used relative referencing, but the reference to cells A1 has not been changed during the replication because absolute referencing has been used. To return to the view of the spreadsheet that shows the values, click on the show formula again. We just click on the formula again. It's get back to the original value. Click here, it gives you the formula. Okay, I hope you will find this very easily, guys. Next time we are going to implement more. Next time we are going to implement more activities, but before we finish, let's implement this very easy. This is very easy activity. This is number X, this is number Y. We want to use the formula for the minus, multiply, for the minus, multiply, and divide by. How? This is the number X, this is the number Y. Okay, let's go directly to the spreadsheet here. This is number X, this is number X, this is number Y, this is number Y. Okay, let's get back again to see the results. X plus Y, X plus Y. This is X, this is X plus Y. This is X minus Y. This is X multiplied by Y. Okay, and this is X divided by Y, and this is X the power of Y. This is the power of Y. It's shift and number 6. It is shift and number 6 Y. Okay, how to do that? We just go here directly and use the function as we say. Just click the equal, and what is the X? What is the X? This is number X, this is number Y. Let's go back again and insert. Okay, insert a new column, and again insert a new column. This is number X, and this is number Y. Okay, let's put another column here. Number X here is 4, number Y is 2. Number X is 4, number Y is 2. So first we need to add the X and the Y. So B2 plus B3. So we put the answer here. B2, don't forget the equal, B2 plus B3, enter, and the answer is 6. X minus Y, so B2 again here, B2 minus B3, the answer is 2. x multiply y. Again, don't forget that equal b2 multiply by b3. The answer is 8. And x divided by y, don't forget that equal symbol b2 multiply by b3, and the answer is 2. And finally x the power of y, so b2, and just hold the shift and number 6 together, b2 the power of b3, and the answer is, oh, we forget to put the we forget to put the equal symbol, so delete this, and again equal b2 and hold the shift and number 6, b3, and the answer is 16. This is very simple, guys. I hope you find this I hope you will find this very easy. Good luck, guys, and next lesson we are going to take and continue all the operation on the spreadsheet and take more equations and activities, and I hope at the end of this term we are going to answer more than one past paper question on paper 3 IGCSE. So I hope to you all, guys, spending a very good times with your families. Take care, guys, and goodbye.